What's up, my fashionistas? How are you doing? I hope you are fine. You're welcome to Yvonne Winifred UG. Today, we are making hair bonnets. Yes. If you want to protect your hair, this is the thing. This is the video. So, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. Join the family, hit the notification bell so that you are notified whenever we have great information like this. So let us start. So you can use any fabrics that you have as long as they are great for your hair. So I have satin here. You can even use silk. And for style, I'm just going to add my Ankara. So this is the Ankara that I'll be working with, and that is the satin. So guys, my Ankara is a square, so it is 23 inches by 23 inches. It is equal, and you can even work with more just depending on how big your hair is. So you can work within 20 from 22 to 28. Those are the measurements you can work with depending on your hair, especially for the adult. So I'm going to fold it into one, that is one fold, so that there are two now, and then another fold, so that I have 4 pieces now. So you just fold it just the way we fold a full circle. So these are the 4 pieces that we have now, and we are going to take our measurements from this apex, from this closed edge. The other open edge will be the outside. So this pointed point, that apex there, that corner, it's where we're going to take our measurements from. So I'm going to be taking 11.5 inches all around, making sure this the tape measure is not moved at the beginning part here at the apex, so this corner. So now this is what I am doing, so that I connect those points of the 11.5 inches. You can even use 11, 12, any measurement that you want, and then connect a circle and cut it out so that it gives me a big circle, as you are saying. So now this is what we have. It is a big full circle, and I'm just going to use this circle to cut the lining part of it in the other satin fabric. So after doing that, this is what we have. I have 2 big circles, and they are pinned together because I have to take it to the sewing machine and sew a straight stitch all around and leave an opening here where I'll be flipping it out from. So let me just do that. And this is what we have now. So I'm just going to go do some small cuts, not into or through the stitch that we've made, and these cuts just aid as we are flipping it out. So after that, I just flip it out, taking it to the right side. And after taking it to the right side, I neaten all the edges of the circle, take it and iron it very well so that it is flat like this. This is after ironing. So guys, remember we left that opening, and now I'm taking it to the sewing machine again and run a straight stitch again all around the circle on this right side, just like that. That is where I'll be passing the elastic. So let me just take it to the sewing machine. This is it after sewing. That is another straight stitch that I've run. This one is closed up, it is not open. So now through this opening that we left, I'm just going to grab a safety pin and an elastic. So this elastic should be able to, it should be close to the head circumference that I'm working with, something that is enough for your head to pass through. So now I just pass this entire elastic into my circular fabric, circular piece, so that I start forming the bonnet. So now I think, as you're seeing, as I push this elastic through and pull it, the bonnet is starting to form. So silk and satin are great fabrics when it comes to your hair, so always protect your hair with such fabrics. So this Ankara will just be, it's just for elegancy. It will just be on top, but the hair is supposed to be inside that black fabric, that satin. So after passing it, I remove the soft pin and then just tie it up. So I have to make sure that the elastic is really enough for the head circumference. So I tie it maybe like twice so that it is knotted neatly. So after there, guys, I'm going to take my bonnet that is formed now and close up this opening that we left here. I'll just top stitch so that the elastic cannot be flipping out, and the bonnet will be done just like this. It is done so easy, so quick, so simple. I've closed the other opening as I've told you there, and this is it from the inside. It is so stylish. It protects your hair. You can do this for business. You can do it, as a gift to someone. You can do it in any style and in any form that you want to. You can do it with some touch of Ankara. You can even do plain satin. You can do plain silk, just as you see. So now this is only satin. The inside is satin and the outside is also satin. So guys, that is it. So simple, so quick. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below. Just know I love you guys, and I'm so grateful for all your support on this channel. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.